Hello aspirants, first of all I would like to congratulate each and everyone for achieving a significant milestone, receiving the call for the interview phase.
Board asks you, you have to answer in that way. So first of all, remember everyone did not to elaborate your answer, better concise with your answer. Remember, before listening my answer, you have to pause the video and try to answer yourself. Once you have completed your answer, then listen my answer. And if you will find anything very important, just add in your answer and make a proper notes and if possible practice as much as before your actual interview. In this session I am going to give you a level up questions and without any pressure or without intention, try to give your best. Take the first question: how are ecosystem interrelated and dependent on each others? Answer in that way. So ecosystems are interrelated and dependent on each other through energy flow, nutrient cycling, and other ecological processes. Changes in one ecosystem can have cascading effect on other ecosystems and the organisms that inhabited them. So with that, you have to over your answer. Again, I repeat, need not to elaborate your answers. Be concise. What board asks, just simply do the reply and wait for the next question. Take the other questions. How does the process of fertilization lead to the formation of a zygote? So do the answer in that way. Sir, fertilization occurs when a sperm cell fuses with an egg cells, creating a zygote with a complete set of chromosomes, that is 46, and the zygote then undergoes a series of mitotic divisions that ultimately results formation of an embryo. Take the next question. How does genetic variations contribute to the process of evolution? So you have to answer this question in that way. So genetic variation provides the raw material for natural selection to act upon, allowing for the evolution of new traits and adaptation in a population over time. Take the next question. How do enzymes regulate metabolic pathways? So for answering this question, simply answer in that way. Sir, enzyme can regulate metabolic pathway by either activating or inhibiting other enzymes in the pathway, thus controlling the rate and direction of the reaction. Take the next question. How do human activities affects animal population and ecosystem? You have to answer in that way. Sir, human activities such as habitat destruction, overhunting, pollution, and climate changes can have significant impact on animal population and ecosystem, altering their distributions, behaviors, and creating various level of geographical and other kinds of barriers, and that definitely affects animals and their survivals. Next, take the question. How do trophic level and food webs interact in an ecosystem? You have to answer in that way. The trophic level represents the different level of the food chain, with each level consisting of organisms that consume the level below it. So what you have to do, you not to worry with any answer. First of all, every time listen and if possible note down in your copy. Take the next question. How do social structure and behavior vary among different species of animals? So right in that way, so social structure and behavior vary greatly among different species of animals and can be influenced by factors such as mating system, resource availability, and environmental pressure. How has communication evolved in the animal kingdom? So when Ward asks this question, you have to answer in that way. Sir, communication evolved as a mechanism for survival and reproduction. Board again asks you, If what are the selective pressure that drive the development of different communication strategies? Do the answer in that way. Sir, predation, mate attraction, and resource sharing drive the development of diverse communication strategies. Take the next question. Can you provide example of how communication signals can vary across species based on their ecological niche? You have to answer in that way. Sir, birds song for territorial defense, chemical signaling in insect, or visual display in mammals are the example of communication signals. Take the next question. What factors influencing the formation of social structure in animal groups? Sir, factors like the resource availability, predation, pressure, and reproductive strategies. Together, they shapes group dynamics and cooperative behaviors of the animals. Maintain limitation of your answer. Whatsoever board asks, just your answer is the reply of the board, not, and there is no need to express your knowledge there because they know everything, and that's why maintain your limitation. So take the another question. How does cooperation among individuals within a social group contribute to overall group fitness? Sir, cooperative behaviors enhancing survival and reproductions. And what are the evolutionary advantages? Sir, shared protection, resource acquisitions, and efficient reproductions. Take the next question. What is the role of learning and memory in animal behavior? Sir, adaptive modification of behavior through experiences. Do subscribe and share so you will get early information. And if you have any question, please do write in the comment box of the video.
Approach this mock interview with a positive mindset. Take each questions as an opportunity and make it a goal to answer every single question. Even if a question seems challenging, take a moment to think about it. Stay calm and composed throughout the interview. If you come across a challenging question, take a deep breath and approach it methodically. Your ability to stay calm under pressure is valuable skills that the interviewer are likely observing. Note down where you feel you need improvement, it in a point, topic wise, and practice or revise after the session. Remember, this is your chance not to only test your knowledge but also to refine your interview skills. Approach it with confidence, enthusiasm, and don't forget to watch another video.
So with this session is now over.